Still bothered by the air condition installation? Traditional air conditioning installation can be difficult, time-consuming, and it requires professional tools and skills. Long ducts limit your ability to move them around. Now, we have a brand new solution for you. Installation-free, duct-free, Ductless Portable Spot Air Conditioner. No setup, just plug it in. Enjoy the cool air immediately. Easily move it to any room. Ductless design. Place the air conditioner anywhere you want. Stay comfortable anytime, anywhere with your family and friends. It must be said that within 2 meters, you can feel cool.
How does the real ductless air conditioner achieve strong cooling?
As a superior air conditioner, our original air outlet design provides powerful, spot-to-spot cooling exactly where you need it. You'll experience strong, cooling air even across long distances.
Where did the hot air and water go?
Our system sprays water onto the refrigerant surface to absorb the hot air and enhance cooling efficiency. This ensures that emitted air stays close to the ambient temperature.
What else makes Morphy Richards unique?
Multifunctional design, 3-in-1 features to meet diverse needs. Whether it's cooling, dehumidifying, or just a fan, it handles all easily. For a wider cooling area, the dual-layer swing design, the airflow moves up and down and side to side, covering a 50-degree angle in each direction for even distribution. So it provides efficient cooling for both individuals and larger groups. Smart control. With the touchscreen and app, adjust the air conditioner settings anytime, anywhere. Embrace a smarter lifestyle, energy efficient and eco-friendly. This is the world's first ductless portable air conditioner. Whether in the kitchen, bedroom, garage, or even outdoors, and any spot you need, Morphy Richards brings you cooling comfort to any space.